The wind did this, man.
Watch, here, keep recording.
Watch this. Let the wind do it. Let the wind do it. Look at that. Look at the strong winds right now. Oh, cover your eyes, bro. Oh, shoot! Ah! Dude, just flow. Move out of the street.
Let's see if we can catch this, okay?
Yeah, I'll be behind you. Okay, guys. Come on, ready? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Do you guys just see that? Go behind me.
Oh,
hold the camera. Come on, do this one more time. Watch this fly in the air. Let's let it fly in the air this time. Watch this. Oh, where are you? Look at this. Oh, that one was a horrible one.
Hold on. This is how you can tell. Let me see your phone.
Here.
Watch this.
I'll do it.
No, watch out.
Watch.
Tuck and roll.
It's still on me from running away. It's still on. I'm gonna turn around and it just fell off. The wind! Oh, that's how you do it. Catching crap. It's a little dangerous. So stay away from these kids. Take this. Okay. Here we go. See it? Watch this. Let go. Run around now. Now. Whoa, look at that go. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Grab it. Let's go. Look at my eyes, guys. Oh, God.
Let's try it again.
You see that thing just fly away? Yeah, man, we gotta put this on YouTube. 1, 2. Right now. Dude, it's going too far. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Is it?
It's right there under the car. Grab it. Let's go. You get it? You got it? Let's go. What? I lost it. Come closer. Oh, shoot. Can't really see it. Oh, it's going down pretty far, though. You guys can't see it. You guys can't really see it, though. He seemed to disappear. Where'd he go? Gianni! I see him. He's chasing it. He's under that car over there. I'm starting to hear some strange noises right now. I don't know what's coming from, though. It's right here. Okay. You see me here. Hurry up! Come closer! Do it from the other direction. Shit, I'll be back here. Look at this. Warriors wind disaster right now.
Yeah.
Here we go. Show your jersey. Bless you! Look at this. I'm gonna make it fly into the camera.
Hold on, here we go.
Get ready. Do you hear that? That thundering noise is the wind, guys.
Go.
Oh! Oh shoot! Let's go. Dude! He let go of it. The wind's too strong. Let's go. Look, he's on the floor. Hold the camera. Let me do it. Let me do it for once.
Heck no.
No, let me do it.
I have speed.
Ready? Yeah, ready? Woo! Woo! It's in the sky! It's in the sky! It's in the sky! Woo! It's in the sky! Oh shoot! Dude, where's it going? Dude, I lost it after you hit the... Oh, I see it over there! Oh, get it out of here! Okay, guys. Oh shoot! It's running. Where'd he go? G! Gianni! You got it? Did you guys see that? It was in the air, flying away.
They see it?
Yeah, they saw it. All I saw was hit my face. Okay, guys. It hit my face, then it went all the way up. Okay, you hold the camera.
Give it.
Hold the camera. Here we go. I'll be right behind you. Hey, get ready. Go. Oh, you're not ready? Okay. Kiku. Car. Car. 1, 2, 3. Sir, hold on. Go. Here, take this.
Here.
Switch off. Give me the phone.
We have to run.
Let's go.
Here, hold my phone.
Yo, someone take your phone.
No, just stay right here. And I'm gonna run, and then things are gonna. No, right here. What?
Yeah. Look, I got a phone.
Right here.
I got a phone.
You got a phone?
Yeah, because today's my birthday and I got it on Monday.
Happy birthday.
Ready? Dude, you guys hear that thundering noise?
You gotta go over there. Stay right here.
Oh, let go. I told my door is open. Look at that. Grab it. It's in the air. Dude, I recorded the whole thing. I was like, keep running. I can't see him anymore. You guys can't see him either. Oh, it's in the air. I got it. Okay, guys. My phone's ready to run.
Run as fast as I can.
Oh shoot! Look at that speed! Run for it. Okay, guys, we're gonna switch off to this phone.